This bird can stay in the air for up to 10 months straight without ever touching the ground. Meet the common swift. It eats in the sky, catching insects on the wing. It drinks by skimming over water. It even sleeps while flying, gliding in slow, rising circles high in the atmosphere. Groundbreaking research has revealed that swifts only land to nest and raise their chicks. For the rest of their lives, the air is their home. They travel thousands of kilometers across continents, maneuvering like tiny, expert fighter jets. If a human tried this, we'd last mere minutes. The common swift, months, non-stop. Nature didn't just give it wings, it gave it the entire sky.